What's up, Soul family? Saying it's just chosen back with another video. Hopefully, guys are having a beautiful day today. My brother, I have something special for us today. For real, there is a season for every single thing. So, the time of your enemies, the time of people who have been hurting you or doing you wrong, their time is over on the camera. On the camera, it's like it's now there was made in the camera. It was made because the judgment is already what at the corner. You see, they can feel the heat if offered. They can feel the heat of the evil that they have been doing for so long. They can feel the evil coming towards them. They can feel the consequences of all the evil that they have been doing for so long. My brother, you see, the thing is like, my dad used to tell me about when I was a kid. He said, it's not the day you take a word or please say it, either a seed of growth or a seed of anything planted on the ground. That is not the particular day it germinates, right? So so there is no some good seed, there is no some single seed on planet earth that you will just plant today and that will automatically germinate today. That's not possible, right? But let me tell you something, my brother. What does that mean is this: the juices they have so evil, but majority of them never believe that the evil that they have been doing for so long, that it would be jubilating. That is why now they are running heads and scattering from here to there, and it's getting scattered. So that is why right now many of them, majority of people out there are frustrated. That is why a lot of people have their chosen ones. Many of them are absolutely frustrated because the evil that they have done when they were there doing it, they feel good. You know, they feel good when they were putting people in difficult time. They feel good when they were their whole time. The people, they feel good when they were there taking bribe because of money. They feel good, you know, when they were taking that bribe, taking all sorts of things. They feel so good, that's what evil is all about. So, but they never believe that the karma is also hard keeping their evil as a package for what, for them, for what one day. So they never believe that their evil will arrive as a package. It will be shipping to them. So God made it for everyone. So God made it for everyone, bro. The wicked, the bootable. Well, what am I saying? This is because we as a Christian, as chosen one, yes, we are in the world, but we are not of the world. And if we still die, you will do what? We will go to what? To the Father. So according to what the Christ have to tell, or he has said that those, he said, if we live for Christ. If we die for him. So what am I trying to say here is this: he said, I will go to my Father and prepare a table before you. That in my Father's kingdom there are minimum, or you can say minimum. So what am I trying to say is that there are a lot of people who have been doing wrong, but they never believe, not thought that one day, that day, the evil will come upon them. So let me tell you a story that I was being told. So the story goes like this, and I'm sure that I have said it a time with that number in it. So come some of my videos, I guess. There was a man that the door that went to do evil in someone, found getting to that place, he did the evil, and not he succeeded. Nobody meeting Lord in the place. So after doing it, after 4 days or a week, that the same evil caused him pain, and the people who sent them to do the evil, after this, the man dead, they start to explain what happened, and that is how everything was exposed. The evil that he did for someone, for a relative, or family member or family like that, that the same evil returned back to him and end his life just like that in the seconds. But what am I trying to say is this: if you are up there, or you still have their mindset of doing evil, don't think you are clean. Don't think you are clean. Maybe you betrayed someone. Don't think you are clean. Maybe you put someone in a difficult time. Don't think you are clean because maybe you do what you betrayed your friends or your relatives or your cousins or your people around you, your neighbor, whatever maybe. But the thing is, like, my brother, because of one thing to another, other, like the money, the love, the relationship, friendship, you betrayed him. Don't think you are clean, because a day will come. Day will surely come. You will regret it. So what am I trying to say is this, my brother: a day will come and the karma is giving them what they want. It's delivering them the package. So my brothers, they are suffering dearly, or I'm praying for the sake of what they did to you. For the karma have become their dear soulmate. Karma is now the closest friend, tormenting and hurting them. You see? So because of the evil that they did behind the scene, that the majority of them never believe that the evil will automatically return to them or come back to them. That's majority of them. They never believe. They never believe that the evil that they did will end tough being something that they'll do, that they will fight, or we end up being something that they will use to regret, right? Right. And that's why many of them are frustrated, because karma have automatically become their soulmate. Remember, my brother, always stay blessed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Until the next video, guys. Peace.